Hi, it's me again, and you are on a channel English in English, watching the second part of a video how to improve your speaking abilities. And today we are gonna talk about third and fourth level of speaking. And if you have not yet watched the first part, please return to the first part and watch it, because here you may discover a few tips those you may apply for your speaking level. And same way you'll be able to establish and guess your speaking level actually. So if you're interested, continue watching the video. The third level is quite impressive, for the reason that students who are already on the level are able to speak openly and freely with others like peers, friends, or maybe even foreigners, and discuss different topics like what's your favorite flower, or describe a town you live in. And they gained the level for the reason that they became more confident comparing to the second level, which is not actually yet good at confidence, yet actually they will be able to improve to the third level, second level, just by gaining confidence. I want to say that as I spoke, they are able to answer questions like what's their favorite flower, or to describe the town they live in. And actually those questions quite resemble the first part of IELTS exam speaking, and actually they mastered them. They were able to speak with no trouble and answer it. They even may attempt to answer the third part questions and as well be good at them, but not yet they are good at second part questions, for the reason that second part is way longer and they have to possess a great deal of different words and expressions to be able to answer above average on the second part of IELTS speaking. So what would I advise for them to do? At first, enhance your speaking vocabulary, active speaking vocabulary, because you may happen to have a huge passive vocabulary. For instance, you may use it in listening sections, or maybe it's going to be in reading, yet not in speaking. So please watch more TED videos, as I already have spoken in a previous video about listening. If you watch TED, you will be able to find more words and speak in more open and outgoing way. And the second, practice more on different themes like second part questions and third part questions. Same way you'll be able to become more knowledgeable about them. So the next level is the fourth level, and almost all native speakers and students who are good at speaking achieve the level of speaking. What does it look like to be on the fourth level? Well, when you are able to freely speak on different themes like the first part questions, the second and the third, and you may even talk about different parts of science, or maybe specific topics like business classes, or it may happen to be biology or math or physics or astronomy, then you are on the fourth level. And you may actually face with these questions in the fourth part of speaking in TOEFL exam, and actually here you may hear something like the professor who talks about business class, and you are going to explain what she says, and this is it, the fourth level. So what do you need to do on the fourth level to become better and not to lose the level actually? Well, at first, you have to continue and persevere watching videos on TED, not to lose the um, huge amount of words you possess now in your head. And second, you are able to attempt to read lectures for others, like in your school or at your school, and well, not only have an ability to practice your specific language, uh, but also you will be able to give for others an ability to learn freely and with no problem. So, as well as this, I want to say that you will be able to mention it in your own personal statement, for instance, when you are going to write a PC to the university. So, this is all I wanted to talk about. Um, if you like the video, please don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe on my channel, and don't forget to ring the bell to be notified with the upcoming videos. So I'm going to see you soon in the following video. So see ya, have a great time. Bye.